Hello, it's Chris and Derek from Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Working on the old 79 Camaro. Um, got some progress. We didn't even bother filming it as the heater is in. It was a bitch to get out, but the smaller one went in fairly easy, and just scuffed it up, gave it a quick coat of flat black. Same with here, is just it's finishing drying, but I just took a wire wheel over it. The silver paint just like flew off basically. You looked at it and it comes off. We started taking the interior, the whole. I'll show you what we've done.
It's been a nightmare, literally.
So the whole basically dash, steering column's out, everything's out. Just because, well, we were pulling the steering column out anyways because the tilt was like severely loose, and we had another one. But then we found out there's different models, or different from a 79 to a 79. They're different. So we got to go pull some more stuff off of our other parts car that matched the steering column. Like this part's different.
Yeah, that shaft.
The shaft is different from that to that, and they're both from a 79.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe one's early, maybe one's late, maybe one's Canadian, one is US. We don't know. So we pulled that apart. Then we pulled the gauge out because a lot of the gauges weren't working. So might as well work on that too. But we're gonna put the steering column back in, but we can't till we get more parts. And it's really cold and windy out, so we're not doing that today.
No.
We're staying in the garage. What else did we do? Yeah, I guess that's about it. All the heating is done.
Yeah.
Just have to hook up the controls, but that's nothing. We deleted some of the stupid vents, the secondary, like these vents. They're not going to do anything, but don't care about that. So right now we're going to fix some rust.
Hope we make progress.
Yeah, we'll hopefully do something today. But
Chris was making progress, I wasn't.
we struggled for like 2 hours getting that steering column out, and so we cut this out of our parts car, and we're just going to graft whatever we need to in like that. And there's a seam right here, so we're just gonna cut it up 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch or so, and butt weld that and cut it to where we need, weld it in, and hopefully we'll have some progress today.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
Since we've been losing back. Well, you've been winning, I've been losing.
So we're gonna start, we might have to pull this off, or we might leave it on there. But we'll start marking it out and start hacking and slicing and getting that ready for that. So that's our plan right now.
Yeah. Then we'll find something else after.
Yeah, maybe some more dents or some more rust repair. Start doing that, so when we finally get the steering column, we can...
That will be next weekend for that.
Yeah. Yep, next week we can start by pulling some of these dents out too after that, so
Okay.
we'll get some progress done today. Maybe. Okay, so we've cleaned up the underside, and we've just took self-tapping screws there just to keep it tight, and we marked a line where we're going to cut it. So we're going to go up all the way over here, down, and somewhere down there, going cutting through both pieces. And then we'll unscrew it, and hopefully that piece will just magically go into place without any issues.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's not going to happen. Yeah, I know we don't like straight lines, so
Yeah.
we do things on angles.
Yeah, I'll probably shoot sparks at you.
Really?
I think I can get through there now. If not, I can always finish cutting it when it's off, so.
Yeah.
I had to connect the dot. You okay?
Yeah, just a little hot.
Okay. Yeah.
A little bit of...
Good. There'll be a double bead here.
Yeah, because there's a lip that goes down here. Because there's...
Yeah. Might be taking that.
I think it's just... I think it's spot welded right here.
Okay. But you can take that right out completely.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I can just light on the weld here and here, this is so solid.
Yeah, because the other one was spot welded right here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a few spot weld. Yeah, it's attached to this
I'm
lovely holy
getting
piece.
back there.
No.
Okay. I want to finish the car, not play with it.
Yeah, we'll just shoot it with some black rust protective paint and...
Okay, so I gotta cut the back here then. Yeah. Okay, I got more cutting to do then.
You just gotta go deeper.
Well, that I gotta get back up in here. That's my thing. Cause we got that other piece behind you.
Yeah, isn't it just this, or is there more?
I got way back in here. It's a little more harder than you think it is.
Okay, we're cutting. Maybe to... If I push that...
Put a third one in here. Oh, I don't know why.
Oh, gas.
Yeah.
We've put some paint in there, just some black paint to keep it from rusting anymore, or slow it down anyways. We got some gas going.
Okay, back better. Okay, now
I can push.
push it a little bit my way. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that.
in.
Might have to keep your pressure on it.
Yep.
If I gotta fill in these ugly holes again. Cool. Might have to splice this one, but get your corner.
And all because of all the corners and crevices.
Really good down here. I'm happy.
Yeah, the bottom's good. This will have to, zoomed in too much with the camera. This will have to just slice it to make it fit.
Push it back down. I mean, the whole. It's got.
Oh.
Can you do a little bit more? Okay.
I'm gonna need both my fingers, so we'll show you later. Okay, it's lightly tacked in. There. I'm gonna have to do a little slice there just to push that in. It's sticking out a little bit too much. This is overlapped just a bit along with this, so Derek's just gonna take a zip cut and zip again there, and then that should fall into place. That's just because we screwed it into here and screwed it into here, and when we cut it, it went in this way and in this way, and it doesn't. So
we don't know the mathematical form to really
knew. So sort of knew we would have to do something like that. So
it is what it is.
It's not a flat piece of steel.
No, that would be easier.
Yeah. Push that in.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, now just about 100 more tacks and we'll be done.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Fix that a little bit, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
There'll be a little bit of welding here, but we can fix that.
Yeah.
Not the end of the world.
Nope.
Better than having a rust hole.
Yeah, and I think it's a little bit, well, with a parts car, it's easy. We just, with that being,
it'll be good for
if we had to make it out of just sheet metal, we would make it out of a few pieces. And
yeah, it would have been 1, 2, at least 3 pieces.
yeah.
This part's easy to do, that bend.
Yeah.
Just doing this part, that shrink and stretch it, and then bend.
Yeah. Yeah, it would have taken a lot more time. So, good thing that car it wasn't rusty there.
I'm happy with
Yeah.
this.
Found one little rust hole.
Oh, did you?
Yep.
Oh, Chris.
One little rust hole in the right there.
Scrap the car now.
Yeah.
Scrap it.
That was the only thing on the quarters.
It's weird how it's not rusted out in certain spots. So good. The damn thing's actually straight.
Yep.
And the doors. They shut great. And the lineups. No play. They all have play. This one doesn't.
Yeah, it just has other issues.
Yeah. Why the steering column?
Steering column issues.
Oh well.
Yep.
We'll get it fixed.
Alright, so more tacky and then some grinding and some slap some Bondo on there and
Yeah.
it'll be factory fresh. Alright, just fixing some dents too. With Derek's homemade dent puller.
It works great. Clean it a little bit.
Already did fix that. That was a big, in this crease here, it was pushed in. So.
I'll fix these little holes up and I'll clean that all up. So. Make it look pretty. Better than just filling a hole up with Bondo. But I guess if that's all you have, that's all you have. That was a good pop. Let's see if we can do a good pop again. Good one. Here we're gonna do a big one.
Now we gotta get to save our money on Bondo.
Yeah, that's actually, time I grind that down a little bit, you can actually fill that up with high build primer.
Yeah.
You don't need no Bondo.
And we've, Derek's welded that, haven't ground it.
Might still have a little more to do, but
Yeah.
once I touch it up. That dent is out, that dent is out.
Yeah. We have a bad one on the other side, some rust, but, and I did some more, I got the inner fender well in. Now you can see the difference between that side and this side.
Oh, that's terrible. That is nice. I like that. Remember, if someone wants to buy the car, it can be for sale.
Yep. Don't know how much, but...
Or if you got a nice Dodge car to trade.
I think that's the only... Might be something there too, a little bit, but not as bad as the other side. No dents. Oh, one dent there.
Oh, okay. We'll take that out. Should straighten this guy out.
Oh, yeah.
We'll hammy and dolly that one out.
Yeah.
And I think the biggest one to do is fix that fender.
Yeah.
And that's it for the major.
Yep.
Except for the odd dent. And then, well, we'll work on again next weekend then?
Yeah, at least the one day, or for a few hours Sunday, then we have to pop off this, and then we can probably start just orbital sanding it.
Yeah, that's why I was wondering if we can, if we're working on most of the days, most of it, we could actually start getting this thing straight and bundled and maybe getting close to getting paint.
Yep. Yeah.
It doesn't need to be feathered smooth.
No. Nope. It's going to be just a little buff.
Oh, shit, we got to spend a bit of time putting the
Steering column in.
oh, that's nice.
All that mess there. Yeah, well, once we get the pieces, it should go in.
Yeah, yeah.
In easy.
I'm happy with it so far.
Yep. The Joe Dirt mobile.
Yeah. You have to get a decal frame, Joe Dirt on it.
Uh-huh. Oh, and when we were taking the dash apart, we found this tucked underneath underneath the dash.
Yeah.
I don't know if it fell in the vent or what, or he was hiding it up there, but it was just sitting up there.
I wish there was money.
Yeah, we didn't find much money in this thing. And then we got still more. Yeah, Derek put the new speedo cable in there, but so it's in the dash there somewhere. Yeah. Slowly put all this back in, and that.
Well, in a couple of weeks you have your trouble. That stuff done.
Yeah.
It should be right around just before Christmas. The thing should be all painted.
Yep, hopefully.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of pushing for.
Okay, well, I think I've rambled on enough. Didn't get too much accomplished because we were fed up with that stupid steering column. Having two different steering shafts for the same year vehicle.
Oh well. Yeah,
yep.
This is a 79.
Yeah, and the one we pulled off was from a 79 too.
Yeah, that's
so
weird.
It's just different, maybe different factory did it, or I don't know. One's Canadian, one's US, or it's got changed, or who knows. Early model, late model, one of those.
Never know.
Okay, I think we'll leave it as is. So remember, comment, all that, subscribe, all that stuff, ask questions, whatever you need to do, or whatever you like to do too. So see you on the next one. Thank you very much.